Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing lights for the world to become better. On today's video, I want to speak about religion and spirituality, and I want to, there's a teaching there's something ephakamayo talk about religion. Yes, religion is a system of worship. It's a system of worship and believing in God, believing in a superpower, believing ukuthi kukhona amandla ngaphezulu kuthina. That is religion. And all I want to say is that religion, spirituality, can relate somewhere somehow. I'm not going to go back and talk about colonization and all of those things. But religion is system ya religion. Iyafana nesystem yani yesikolo. Why ngisho kanjalo? At church, I'm going to make an example. When you look at Christianity, Hinduism, and about Buddhism, all these religions, different types of religions, there are rules there, there are restrictions there. Kuzomela ukuthi uhloniphe kunendlela ogqoka ngayo, kunendlela okwenza ngayo ini izinto and all of that. But I look at this system of religion as like a school, because of many people have discovered iy'phiwo zabo through church. How so? When you look at church, for example, children go to a Sunday school, bafundiswa iBhayibheli, bafunda iBhayibheli, and then move from ukufunda iBhayibheli bangene phakathi esontweni masebe badala, taught prayer, abanye bafundiswa ukuthandaza, ufunda ukuthandaza esontweni. And immediately once you start praying and you start connecting, as a person who is gifted from birth, your angel is going to be ignited because of you are in a space of worship, regardless ukuthi hey kulelo sonto lelo kunesithixo kunani. But because of you are surrounded by the things that will ignite ingilosi ngaphakathi kuwena, ingilosi izophakama. And the people that are part of that church, if there are people who are able to see in the spirit, they're able to see and they're able to tell you, Guti, you are gifted. And you are gifted to see, or you are gifted to pray, but you are just gifted. The more you pray, the more you meditate. The more you pray, the more you meditate. That's where now your angels, your guides are able to connect with you. People abaqubuka from your bloodline, they are able to communicate with you. Why? Because of already you have open yourself to that channel. Angazi the way angeza ukuthi ngithini. Even though today religion ibhekwa as intwembi, ukuthi all religion restricts you, no mina angisayi esontweni. Cha, okungayi kwethu esontweni, we are not going to church because of church for us is no longer good because of certain things, certain rituals that are done inside those churches. Izinto ezenzakala kungcolile kwamanye amasonto. Some of us cannot even survive. The gift that I'm carrying, ayikwazi ukuhlala phansi kwesonto elingahlanzekanga, elingekho clean and all of that. But the very same gift that I have, I can be told ukuthi from next week going forward, visit this church, visit this church, visit this church, visit this church. And just go there and just, when you get there, just pray for people, and then just leave. Ngivakashe kodwa kungabi indawo yami yokuthi ngipermanent ngihleli lapho, because of, I don't want to lie, church today is looked at as a bad thing. Kodwa isonto angifuni ngiqamamanga likhulise abantu abaningi, liphakamise ingilosi zabantu abaningi out there because of bakhona abanye bazothi from a very young age ngangiphupha and all of that, and then ngavuka moya or ngavuka idlozi, and then ekhaya ngavele ngathathwa ngasiwa vele lapho ngayo-trainwa traditionally, and then I became a traditional healer. Our journeys are not the same. And remember, God and your angels, abantu ohamba nawo, iy'ngilosi zakho lezi uNkulunkulu akunikeze zona, they understand your journey better than you. So if uke wayithola uphansi kwenkonzo, usuphumile kuleyo nkonzo, and you are able to pray by yourself and do things by yourself, that is good. And you are able to see your visions and you are able to connect, that is good. Ezinye iy'ngilosi ohamba nazo yizona ezikuphushayo ukuthi go to church, because bowungaphakathi kwesonto ikwazi ukuphakama kahle ingilosi yakho, ikwazi ukusebenza kahle, and iphinde futhi ikwazi ukusiza. So I don't want people to look at religion as like the baddest thing. Because of when you look at religion, okanye this system yesikolo, this system yesikolo was created to actually create a structure. Ukuthi kuzoba nabantu, umuntu kumele angene isikolo, meke ngene isikolo from schooling. We have doctors, we have teachers, we have nurses, we have what kuye go university, kuye go. If you were truly meant to be an artist or a doctor or a policeman or whatever, you are going to identify yourself as you are going through the process of schooling. There's going to be a time where you choose subject. There's going to be a time where you're like, I didn't like this at school. I didn't like that at school. That's the process of you becoming. So God himself allowed these systems. As these systems are there, these systems are able to help us navigate our purpose, our path. Yes, people can say, why religion? No, religion, no. Angithandi ngoba manje sesizoya ku-good and all of that and blah, 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 and all of those things. Good, fine, if you don't like it. But I don't want us to shy away from the fact that abantu la ngaphandle bakhulele sontweni, they are very powerful human beings because of their roots are very strong from church. Namhlanje we can have people who are traditional healers, but who are also using what? The Bible. So imagine from church, your angel is ignited, your third eye is open because of, let me tell you something, because of sekunamasonto amaningi that are not so good, ne? People are struggling to open their third eyes. Bayahluleka abantu abaningi ukuvula ama-third eyes wabo because of izinto eningi, umoya omubi usugcwele kakhulu emasontweni. But to those people, I advise they must pray, they must meditate. They must pray, they must meditate, and check i-diet yakho because of amandla wakho angaphakathi kuwena. So you need to pray and connect from within so that you are able to see ukuthi kwenzakalani, like who are you and what's really happening, so that God can literally communicate with you. Injalo nje. So let's not shy away from these systems that are in the world. Yes, there are disadvantages, but baningi abantu abaphuma abakhulele esontweni, but end up being great healers, teaching people. And for example, nam lang zalwa khona kusonto, but with the churches that I've attended or I've been to, I've realized ukuthi cha, mangiphakathi kwesonto angibe right, mangiphakathi kwesonto there's certain things engahambelani nazo. So I'd rather be by myself, be independent, pray, worship by myself, do everything by myself. If I have to read the Bible, do everything by myself. Kodwa inkonzo kube yinto engiyenzani engivakashayo because of umoya omubi usuhlasele inkonzo eziningi. Moving right along, uyasonta, ingilosi yakho is ignited, and then all of a sudden, as you are growing in the spirit, now so uyaqala ubona amabhayi, ubona iphika, ubona mhlambe ikhali and all of those things. Now, because of your third eye is opened and uyakhula ngokomoya, the angels ithunywa ohamba nazo seziyakubonisa ukuthi mina ukungiphakamisa or mangabe uyangiphakamisa, this is what I need, this is what you need to carry, these are the things that you're going to use mhlambe when you pray, and also when you represent yourself to people, if you go to church or whenever you are praying, these are the specific things that you need to wear. So when you are now getting that type of communication where amakhehla nezalukwazi are now speaking to you, some of la makhehla nezalukwazi zaziye esontweni, some of la makhehla nezalukwazi khona abanye, it's not always the case that when you have visions and you are given things, you must look at the things that you are being given in those visions, because of kukhona abanye abantu ngaphathi kwekhaya lakho abazovela kuwena who would want to give you things mawuthi uyazibheka lezi zinto lezo izinto ezingekho right, because of kukhona amakhaya we abantu abadala bebayenza izinto ezi-wrong. So kuzomela ukuthi lapho kuhlukaniswe, because of you cannot just accept noma yini. I'm just gonna make an example. Khabo mama kuyathandazwa, khabo baba they are very much traditional, but khabo baba mabaqhamuka mhlawumbe baqhamuka sengiphiwa isikhwama, mangiphiwa lesi sikhwama, do I really have to accept this sikhwama? Mangisithatha lesi sikhwama kuzobela ukuthi nami ngisilungise ngihlambulule ngisenze, because of the previous person bekasebenzisa kanjani. So I still need to get instructions. And two, when it comes to abantu basemandulo kusazoliwa phela ukuthi ubaba wayengekho, why all of a sudden they want to give me the specific gifts, because of now they were not there. Injalo nje. So on today's video, I don't want us to shy away from this religion, because of this religion has helped a lot of people who are today independent, and people who choose to stay under esontweni, it's for their own good, it's for the goodness of abantwana babo kanye namafamily wabo kanye namakhaya wabo. They are benefiting whatever that they are benefiting. It's just that kuningi okwenzakala emasontweni manje, because yes, your angel, your gift was ignited at church and you are able to see things now spiritual. Then you realize ukuthi no, isonto liyangilimit, awuthi ngimele eceleni, mawumele eceleni uyazithandazela. Khona abanye benu who are not so strong spiritually, who really need church. Yes, kungaliwa kuthiwa why abantu baya esontweni, why people can drag you and look down upon you ukuthi hey uyalihamba isonto, uyalihamba isonto, uyalihamba isonto, but iqiniso ukuthi uyalihamba isonto because of you need to go to church. Why you need to it for ngathi liyakusiza. Kukhona abantu abangakwazi abangana discipline abangakwazi ukuzicontrol. So you being able to go to church, it's another form of discipline. But kukhona abantu abafana nathi, even without church, we can still praise and worship. We can give ourselves time. Because I remember we would go to church on Sunday. Masiye esontweni Sunday. And then probably we are given the word. And then they say this is the word for the day, but it's a word that you can go and meditate ngalo even during the week. Trust you, you wouldn't even want to meditate. You just like that. But as you grow, if you are disciplined and strong in the spirit, you are able to do those things on your own. But kukhona abantu abangakwazi ukuzenza lezo zinto on their own. So namhlanje ngithini, as you started from church and ingilosi yakho mhlambe yaqubuka esontweni, or you were told that you are gifted esontweni, but manje you are having visions where mhlambe sobona iphika nani and all of those things. Yes, you will get them, uzibusiso uzithandazise, and then use them when you pray. abanye bathi mina mkhulu ngibona amabhayi ngibona ini ngibona all of those things. You continue also to pray, you ask for guidance and clarity. And some of amabhayi lawa anokuvela amabhayi nje just for you to recognize, acknowledge ukuthi oh kunabantu engiqubuka phansi kwabo, meaning engivela phansi kwabo, who were also traditional. But continue to pray and be specific in your prayers and ask for guidance. Ucela uthi uNkulunkulu ngibonise indlela kuyiyona yona ekumele ngiyiphile, kanye futhi nesiphiwo nginikeza sona ake cace, ake kubonakala ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaphezulu kwesimo sempilo yami. Trust you me, clarity is going to come. I am sitting here today, but I have clarity when it comes to my gift. I know exactly what I need to do. I don't look down upon church or certain types of religions, because of it is through religion amanyama gift abi aphakama, and then from there people were able to just leave the church and then bakwazi ukuzenzela izinto. And it's also church again that keeps someone intact, because of khona abantu abangakwazi ukuyimela, yingakho ke ingilosi zabo zidinga ukuthi ake avakashe esontweni, ake afike esontweni, ake ahlanganele nabanye abantu, azivuselele nje, simple. Abanye they go to the mountains, abanye bafuna ukuya emanzini. People do it differently, but today I am saying yes, we talk about religion versus spirituality, but trust you me, religion is a system of you believe, you worship and all of that. Spirituality, it's a personal thing. It's a personal journey where you literally discover yourself. You believe that God is within you. Every power that you have is within you. But religion helps you also discover yourself, because of as you are learning prayers, as you are reading the Bible, you are learning, you are getting some sort of knowledge, then the inner power that is within you, it is ignited. And once it is ignited, it is able now to tell you, lalela, yes, I'm ignited now, but mina, this is what I do. This is how I do things. And your guides are able to come to you and explain to you, this is what we do, this is what we do. Hence ngithi kukhona abantu abahlalile esontweni for isikhathi eside bakwazi ukuphuma esontweni. Injalo nje ukwazi ukuphuma. Hence today uthola abantu who are healing traditionally kodwa baphethe amabhayibheli, because of why? They have that root. They have that root. Regardless of what, hey, colonization happened like this, and then the white person came and did this and did that and did that. My city, we look deep. Why did God, the creator, allowed things to happen the way they happen? Why did God allowed colonization to happen? Why God allowed to go in these systems? The system of school, the system of religion. Why? Begazi ukuthi kukhona kumele bandlule khona kule system ukuze bakwazi ukuphakama. Injalo nje. Please leave your comments, and in the comment section, please ask any question. If there are certain things that you want me to touch on, you want to hear my views on, drop it on the comment section. Akubo ubumbano, nozwano, nothando. Ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wena. I love you so much, guys. Mwah.